In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show bookmarks or favorites on your Google Chrome browser. Having your bookmarks easily accessible can vastly improve your browsing experience, allowing you to quickly navigate to your favorite sites with just a click. Whether you're working on a project, conducting research, or simply checking your favorite websites daily, this feature will help keep everything organized and within reach. So, let's dive right in, and I'll walk you through the process of displaying your bookmarks bar in Google Chrome. To start, ensure you have Google Chrome open on your device. The great thing about this method is its simplicity. There's no need to dig deep into settings or submenus. All you have to do is use a simple keyboard shortcut. This shortcut is universal, meaning it works the same way on most operating systems, whether you're using Windows, Linux, or Chrome OS. What you need to do is press the keys Ctrl, Shift, and B at the same time. That's Ctrl plus Shift plus B. Keep in mind, if you're using a Mac, you'll want to press Command, Shift, and B instead. Once you've pressed these keys together, you should immediately notice a change on your screen. The bookmarks bar should pop up right below the address bar of your browser, neatly displaying all of your saved bookmarks or favorites. This toolbar is incredibly handy since it allows you to access your chosen sites with a single click whenever you're using Chrome. If you find that the bookmarks bar is taking up too much space, or you simply want to hide it again, you can use the same keyboard shortcut, Ctrl, Shift, and B. This will toggle the bookmarks bar on and off, giving you control over when it's visible and when it's not. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to show or hide the bookmarks bar on your Google Chrome browser. This little trick can drastically improve efficiency in your daily browsing activities. Remember, having your bookmarks bar visible helps you keep important sites within reach and makes navigating the internet a bit smoother. Whether you decide to show or hide it after today's tutorial, now you have the know-how to change it up anytime you like. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide makes managing your bookmarks in Google Chrome a breeze. Don't forget to check out more tips and tricks on using your browser effectively. Feel free to leave any questions or comments down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy browsing!